Do you yearn for younger, vibrant skin? You're not alone. We all know what it feels like to look in the mirror and see signs of aging. Those dreaded fine lines, wrinkles, and dark circles can make us feel self-conscious, old before our time. It's disheartening and can make us feel as though we've lost our glow. The signs of aging are relentless. Eye puffiness that lasts the whole day, deepening wrinkles and fine lines that seem to multiply overnight. It's like a cruel joke nature plays on us. And the most frustrating part, you have tried countless skin rejuvenation products, yet your skin continues to betray you, showing signs of aging far too soon. Is it too much to ask for a product that really works? Introducing Glow by Jifu. Glow by Jifu swoops in with a promise of hope. This isn't just another skin rejuvenation line. This is a sustainably harvested and conscientiously produced trio of products, each designed to target specific skin issues. Eye repair treatment tightens and brightens the delicate skin around your eyes, reducing puffiness in just 30 minutes. Cell Restoration Serum nourishes, rejuvenates, and repairs your skin to restore its vitality and radiance. Night Repair Complex works overnight to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, giving you fresher, younger-looking skin each morning. Each of these products is powered by AC11, Uncaria tomentosa, a natural botanical extract of the medicinal plant known for its ability to enable deep skin penetration. This powerful ingredient effectively reverses signs of aging on mature skin by aiding the skin's natural ability to repair cellular damage. Experience the magic of glow. It moisturizes, reduces pore size, stimulates your skin to produce more collagen and elastin, and lifts sagging skin. In just 30 days, you'll see a reduction in fine lines, crow's feet, and dark circles. Your skin will feel supple, firmer, and younger looking, thanks to the hyaluronic acid that tightens skin and smoothens wrinkles and crow's feet. Take a step towards youthful, healthy skin today. Reclaim your glow and feel confident in your skin again. Visit carlmdouglas.com to purchase Glow by Jifu, your ultimate partner in achieving firm, bright, and youthful skin.